everybody, what's up? Devon Brown here, and in today's short video, what I'd like to do is I'd like to tell you 2 things that you can do to start making more money more quickly. Like, seriously, these 2 things are like 2 of the simplest secrets to making more money. And they are so simple that you're gonna be like, really, Devon, that's it? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, really, that's it. As a matter of fact, the first one of these things that I'm gonna tell you to do, I was at a seminar a few months ago, and the guy on stage was like, hey, let me tell you the secret to making more money. And then he said it to the audience, and my brain was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. I cannot believe he just said that. He's 1,000% right. It's so simple. It's so just smack dab in front of my face. And I was so great. I went up to him afterwards. I was like, dude, thank you for saying that. That was so simple and so profound. And so often the most profound things are the simplest. And so, anyway, you don't need a pen and paper. Just listen closely and go do what I'm about to tell you. All right, so here are 2 things that you can do to make more money now. The first thing you can do is make more offers. The more you offer stuff, the more likely somebody is to buy something. So just make more offers. If you have an email list, make more offers to your list. You'll make more money. That's it. If you have an audience, make more money or make more offers to that audience. If you are in an MLM and you're going around talking to people, make more offers to more people and you will make more money. It's so simple, but it is true. Make more offers. That's the first thing. The second thing you can do is grow your audience. Because the bigger your audience, the bigger the number of people who follow you on Facebook or Instagram, or the bigger the number of people on your list, right? Then the more people who are going to see, the more offers that you're making, right? So if you increase the numbers of offers you make from 2 a week to 5 a week, you're going to make more money. But if you also then increase the number of people seeing the offer from 2,000 people on your list to 10,000 people on your list, then you're going to make more money, because we went from having 2,000 people on our list see 2 offers a week to having 10,000 people on our list see 5 offers a week. Just math. And so those are the 2 things. Sorry, I'm like all excited in this video. But those are the 2 things I want you to do. Number 1, make more offers. And you can just do that like right now. And then number 2, grow your audience so that you have more people seeing your offers. Do those 2 things and I promise you'll make more money. Let me know how they work for you. I will talk to you soon. Leave a comment if you feel like it, or just share this video and all that good stuff. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.